Imagine a bustling marketplace where every transaction is facilitated by unique tokens, each with its own story, purpose, and value. This isn't just a scene from a fantasy novel, it's the essence of tokenomics, the study of how tokens function within a blockchain ecosystem. Understanding token supply, distribution, and utility can be the key to unlocking the true potential of cryptocurrencies and decentralized applications. Let's dive into the heart of tokenomics with a fascinating fact. Did you know that Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency, has a capped supply of 21 million coins? This finite nature creates scarcity, much like gold, which drives its value. But not all tokens are created equal. Some have unlimited supply, while others are designed to decrease over time through mechanisms like burning. Now, picture this. A new project launches a token with a flashy marketing campaign promising moon-like returns. Investors rush in, but what they don't realize is that the token distribution is heavily skewed. A well-distributed token fosters a healthy ecosystem, while an imbalanced one can lead to catastrophic failures. But here's where it gets intriguing. Utility. Tokens can serve various purposes. Some are used for governance, allowing holders to vote on project decisions. Others act as currency within ecosystems or provide access to exclusive features. For instance, think about how Ethereum's ERC20 tokens empower decentralized finance, DeFi applications. They create an entire economy where users can lend, borrow, and trade without intermediaries. Yet there's a plot twist. The utility of a token can dramatically change over time. Consider the case of a gaming token that initially serves as an in-game currency, but later evolves into a governance token as the game expands into a decentralized autonomous organization, DAO. As we navigate this complex landscape, it's essential to ask, what makes a token successful? It boils down to three pillars: clear utility that solves real problems, fair distribution that encourages community engagement, and a well-defined supply strategy that balances scarcity with accessibility. In conclusion, tokenomics isn't just about numbers. It's about understanding the intricate dance between supply, distribution, and utility that shapes the future of digital economies. Whether you're an investor or simply curious about the crypto space, grasping these concepts will empower you to make informed decisions in this rapidly evolving world. So next time you hear about a new token launch, remember, it's not just about what it does, it's about how it fits into the grand tapestry of blockchain innovation.